Okay, so I saw this hack on TikTok or Reels or something here a while back, and I've been meaning to try it for a long time when it comes to cleaning hair out of your vehicle. So I've already done the back half, the driver's side and the back seat of our Explorer, and I'm going to show you what it looks like real quick, and then I'm going to show you what the right half looks like, the passenger side, and then I'll show you real quick what I'm doing. Okay, so this has been cleaned up to here. You can see just all the dog hair, and same thing with the floor. So what you do is you just go to the store and buy this cheap ass pumice stone from wherever in the cleaning section. You just take it and you run it across. Let me zoom you out a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So you just rub it across the fabric, and as you do that, it pulls all this pet hair out. Yeah, it just pulls it right up, it cleans it right out. And then you can just bring your vacuum in, which I won't do because the sound will be so loud it'll blow your brains out. But you just scrub it, and that's it. That's it. These things are they cost nothing, and they clean your car of all that dog hair. It even gets up some of the dirt and dust down in in your vehicle's short carpet. Works great. Go buy yourself one and do it now. Do it now.